Hello guys, today is VNA TV and this is our QMG, the first in VNA TV, and today we're playing Toca Boca again.
Correct.
That's her voice because we're in Philippines.
Okay.
After we grabbed
The game just glitched.
I don't know why the game just glitched.
Yep. You do not know me.
Oh, there you go.
You're very hungry.
Yes, very hungry.
Okay. What are you doing?
I'm frying it.
Wow. So very cool.
What the what?
Guys, or not. Rock it. Listen it. Hurry. Oh my gosh.
We're not going to shave it.
Ordering. It's the drink. Wow, good job.
We got a prank, but it's orange, not orange juice.
It's dark like this. Look at that.
Oh no, he's staring out the food. Get that. Bye, orange bear. Bing. Here.
Ito, asa na? Good job. Very good job. Pasambok ka na, uy.
Siguro.
Tubig, water. Water pag Japon. Watermelon, I like. Okay?
It's hard watermelon. Oh, yep. Ayaw ba? We just put it right there. Pretend to hurt your hand. Oh my God, you hurt your hand.
Yep, so baby hot water. Watermelon is like no.
You have to subscribe so you don't subscribe, follow, and give me to 100 million thousand subscribers, and also help me get the golden award. Or
Yeah,
if you
so
don't-
very good.
if you don't, you'll get the bad luck for rest day.
Okay, goodbye.
Oh my God, that's her.
What are you doing that?
I'm just cooking
In plato.
Luto.
Feed her.
Ano ito ko?
Feed her. Tita friend, oy. Parang hot, pati pakatag hot. Wait lang.
So many things. And balong ko. Oy, kigwa.
Ato butang spicy ba?
Ito ba tawag spicy?